I'm John from Vending. I'm here to help you set up your NFC board for your cashless systems. First of all, you have to make sure your accounts are activated and a credit card reader is in use. First step is to check your firmware. On a 3.5-inch screen, go into your programming. Hit X to get into programming. Go to firmware, which is the basket. You need to check for your software version. Version 10.12.9 is the current one. That's what you need for it to work in this machine. Moving over to our 9-inch. When you open the door and hit your 3s, the version 11.44 is what you need for this one. Once you've got your software right, we'll go and we'll turn the power off on the machine. And using an 11/32 nut driver, we'll remove the panel for the board. There's 4 nuts. To get these off, we'll take off the panel. Take our NFC board, remove the sticker, plug the harness in. Once it's plugged in, you'll slide it onto the pegs that are in here. Kind of hard to see. Once that's installed, you'll reboot your machine. While this is booting up, the green light down here will be blinking, and in about 15 to 20 minutes it should stay solid. During this time you can have the door shut. Do not interrupt the power or try to vend it until this light is green. If it doesn't go green right away, we'll go into the programming. We'll make sure that our onboard cashless is turned on. I'll show you that as soon as it boots up. Get your pens. Go to home. Monetary. Scroll down to onboard cashless enable. Make sure it's on position. Once it's on, you can shut the door. And see ours is working with a solid green light. Now tap to test it. That's it.